Hi there, Doc from Barcast Audio here today to talk with you about battery as taught in law school and on the bar exam. It is one of the most misunderstood areas of torts law. Let's jump right into the rule and explanation of battery. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe to this channel for more of these videos. Be sure to check us out at barcastaudio.com. We have audio outlines, essay attack sheets for the bar exam, for law school. We have a full bar prep program, law school program, anything you need. We have it over at barcastaudio.com. Now to begin, the rule for battery is as follows. A battery occurs where a person, 1, intentionally, 2, causes, 3, a harmful or offensive contact, 4, with a party's person. Note that a party's person also includes things that are attached to them at that moment. Now, one of the most common questions arising out of this general rule is, when is a contact offensive? A contact is generally deemed offensive when, 1, it offends a reasonable person's idea of personal dignity, or 2, or the contact is highly offensive to an individual person's idea of personal dignity, and the actor knows that the contact is highly offensive to that person. Example: Michael is in a conversation in his office with his brother Fredo. Unbeknownst to Fredo, Tom opens the door, entering the room to give Michael some papers. Not seeing Tom behind him, Fredo closes the door, smashing Tom's foot in the process. Would Fredo be liable for battery here? The answer should seem obvious to you. No, because Fredo did not intentionally act. He didn't know that Tom was behind him. Therefore, Fredo would not be liable for battery here. Now imagine under these same facts that Tom barges into the room while Fredo and Michael are speaking, and frustrated, Fredo snatches the set of papers out of Tom's hands. Would Fredo be liable for battery under these circumstances? The answer here is yes, because although Fredo didn't actually touch Tom's person was extended to the papers in his hand for the purposes of battery. Remember that for the purposes of torts, for the purposes of battery, a person's person includes anything physically attached to them, including a plate or papers in this case. Let's move on to another example here. Michael and Fredo get into an argument, and Michael gently pokes Fredo in the ear. Michael knows that Fredo recently had an ear surgery that renders his earlobes especially tender. If Fredo sues Michael for battery, would he be liable to prevail? The answer here is yes, because Michael knew of Fredo's unusual sensitivity and sensibility and initiated contact that he knew would be offensive here. That does it for us in terms of talking about the law for battery of the intentional torts. Be sure to check us out at barcastaudio.com. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more of these videos. Until later, I will talk to you guys soon. Bye now.